Welcome to Product Plus. From effortlessly sharpening knives and crafting homemade sushi to baking fresh bread, frying eggs, or seasoning meals with precision, these innovative kitchen tools transform everyday cooking into a seamless, practical, stylish, and easy to use. They inspire creativity while saving time and energy. All products links in the description section below. There's something special about turning your kitchen into a cozy baking corner where the smell of fresh bread or cupcakes fills the air and everything feels a little more homemade. The Honest electric stand mixer slips right into that moment, handling the heavy mixing while you focus on adding flavors, chatting with family, or enjoying the process. With its roomy bowl and multiple speeds, it makes everything from weekday dough to weekend treats feel effortless. Just tilt the head, toss in your ingredients, and let it do the hard work while you plan your next recipe. It's perfect for home cooks who want reliable help without the noise or mess. If you've been dreaming of smoother bakes and more fun in the kitchen, this is one upgrade worth trying at $129.99 for your baking adventures today. Think about those crusty loaves of bread, ripe tomatoes, and delicate pastries you love preparing at home. They all deserve a serrated knife that cuts cleanly without tearing. The Orange Ninja serrated knife sharpener fits perfectly into everyday kitchen life, helping you keep those special blades in top shape with just a few easy pulls. Whether you're setting up breakfast for the family or crafting sandwiches for a relaxed afternoon, it brings back that smooth, confident slicing that makes cooking more enjoyable. Its comfortable grip and simple design mean anyone can use it. No fuss, no guesswork. It's the kind of small tool that quietly saves time and keeps meals looking as good as they taste. If you want your serrated knives working like new again, this is an easy upgrade to try at $25 for better cuts every single day. After a long day, it feels great to come home to a kitchen that makes healthy cooking simple and stress-free. The new Wabi Pro Plus 2 infrared oven brings that ease into everyday life, letting you cook fresh or frozen meals without waiting around to preheat or defrost. Picture roasting chicken for dinner while veggies cook alongside, all in one go, as you relax nearby and watch everything through the clear dome. It fits perfectly into busy family evenings or quiet solo meals, giving you flavorful results with less oil and less mess. With easy presets and roomy capacity, it's a practical helper for anyone who wants better meals without extra effort. If you're ready to upgrade how you cook and enjoy more time at the table, this countertop oven is worth trying at $149.99 for healthier family meals tonight. When friends and family gather around the table, it's the little details that make everything feel special, like serving dishes that stay warm from the first bite to the last. The Feppo food warming mat fits right into those moments, quietly keeping your meals at the perfect temperature while you enjoy conversations instead of rushing back to the kitchen. Whether it's a weekend brunch, festive buffet, or cozy dinner at home, this roll-up mat makes hosting smoother and more relaxed. Just lay it out, set the heat, and let it handle the rest while you focus on your guests. It's practical, space-saving, and surprisingly handy for everyday use too, from thawing to dough rising. If you love creating warm, welcoming meals without extra stress, this is one upgrade you'll appreciate at $76.99 for gatherings that stay perfectly warm. Packing lunches doesn't have to feel like a chore, especially when you can turn it into a fun little moment with your kids in the kitchen. The Gelbira sandwich cutter makes everyday sandwiches more exciting, sealing fillings inside cute shapes that picky eaters actually look forward to. Imagine quick morning prep, a few laughs at the counter, and lunchboxes filled with something homemade and cheerful. It's perfect for school days, family picnics, or even holiday treats when you want something simple but special. Just press, fill, and seal. No mess, no stress, and way more smiles at the table. It's one of those small tools that saves time while adding a bit of joy to your routine. If you enjoy easy wins that make family meals happier, this handy cutter is worth trying at $12.30 for fun lunches everyone will love. There's nothing quite like waking up to the smell of fresh bread filling your home, turning an ordinary morning into something warm and comforting. The Cuisinart bread maker machine brings that bakery feeling right to your kitchen, mixing, kneading, and baking while you go about your day. Imagine setting it up in the evening, then slicing into a soft loaf for breakfast, sandwiches, or dinner on busy weekdays. With easy menu options and customizable crusts, it fits perfectly into family routines or quiet moments when you just want something homemade. It's a simple way to enjoy better ingredients, fresher taste, and a little pride in every slice. If you've ever thought about baking more at home without the hassle, this compact helper is a great place to start at $152.90 for fresh bread every day at home. On days when you crave something warm and comforting, a bowl of homemade soup can feel like a hug in a mug. The Philips Viva Collection Soup Maker makes that moment easy, turning fresh ingredients into smooth or chunky soups in under 20 minutes while you relax or set the table. Imagine tossing in veggies after work, pressing a button, and coming back to a steaming, nourishing meal for yourself or the family. It fits perfectly into cozy evenings, light lunches, or even quick smoothies on busy mornings. With simple presets and easy cleanup, it's all about enjoying real food without extra effort. If you like the idea of healthier, homemade meals that don't take over your time, this smart little helper is worth trying at $179.95 for comforting bowls you'll look forward to every day. It's the little finishing touches that turn a good meal into a great one, and fresh seasoning at the table always makes cooking feel more special. The Circle Joy electric salt and pepper grinder set fits right into everyday dinners, from quick weeknight meals to relaxed family gatherings, adding flavor with just a simple press. Imagine plating your food, tapping a button, and watching the soft LED light as fresh spices fall perfectly over your dish. No twisting, no effort, just smooth seasoning. With its sleek charging base, it even looks great sitting on your counter, ready whenever you need it. It's practical, stylish, and makes cooking feel a bit more effortless every day. If you enjoy small upgrades that bring comfort and convenience to your kitchen routine, this set is worth trying at $32.99 for seasoning that's always fresh and easy. There's nothing quite like starting your day with a perfectly cooked breakfast, and the right pan can make it effortless. The Unit egg frying pan brings convenience and consistency to your kitchen, letting you fry eggs, bacon, or omelets without sticking or burning. Its non-stick marble coating and even heat distribution mean your food cooks evenly, while the included lid speeds up cooking and keeps splatters contained. The cool touch handle adds safety. And cleanup is simple with just a soft sponge. Whether you're preparing a quick weekday breakfast or a leisurely weekend brunch, this pan fits seamlessly into your routine, making mornings smoother and more enjoyable. For reliable, everyday cooking comfort, this handy pan is worth trying at $29.99 for effortless meals every day. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated to be delicious, and the PrestoPiz Plus rotating oven makes it simple to enjoy evenly baked meals with minimal effort. Its rotating tray and dual heating elements ensure that everything from pizzas to casseroles cooks perfectly on all sides, while the separate top and bottom controls let you customize heat for each dish. Imagine preparing dinner while it rotates quietly on the counter, freeing you up to prep sides, set the table, or relax with a cup of tea. Compact yet powerful, it saves energy compared to conventional ovens and cleans up easily thanks to its non-stick tray. Perfect for busy families or solo meals, this handy countertop oven is worth trying at $94.99 for evenly baked dishes every time. Making mealtime simple and fun can start with the right tool, and the Meatball Master does exactly that. Imagine turning pounds of ground meat into perfectly portioned, uniform meatballs in seconds, all ready for dinner or to freeze for later. Whether you're preparing a quick weeknight meal, a family pasta night, or batch cooking for the week, it keeps things organized and stress-free. Its smart design ensures each meatball is the same size, so they cook evenly every time, while cleanup is easy thanks to dishwasher-safe materials. From freezer to skillet or oven, this handy tool makes cooking consistent and effortless. If you enjoy practical kitchen helpers that save time and keep meals tasty, the Meatball Master is worth trying at $27.99 for perfectly portioned meatballs every time. Sushi nights at home can be fun, creative, and surprisingly easy with the right tools, and the Delamu 20-in-1 sushi making kit brings all of that together. From classic rolls to temaki and nigiri, it includes everything you need: bamboo mats, a bazooka roller, rice mold, chopsticks, and a handy guidebook to make sushi like a pro. Imagine gathering around the counter with family or friends, rolling your favorite ingredients, and enjoying fresh, homemade sushi without the restaurant price tag. Perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike, it turns cooking into a creative activity and a bonding experience. Easy to clean and fully BPA-free, it fits beautifully into everyday fun and learning in the kitchen. For a sushi experience everyone will love, this kit is worth trying at $30.99 for delicious homemade rolls at home. Slicing homemade bread evenly can be surprisingly tricky, but the Kiss Core Upgrade Bread Slicer takes the guesswork out of the kitchen. With its adjustable guide and crumb tray, it ensures each slice is uniform, whether you're working with a loaf, bagel, cake, or sourdough. Imagine pulling fresh bread from the oven and effortlessly cutting it into perfect pieces for breakfast, sandwiches, or snacks, while keeping your countertop clean and organized. Its compact, foldable design and integrated bread box make storage and everyday use simple, turning baking into a more enjoyable and efficient routine. For anyone who loves homemade bread but wants consistent, easy slicing without the mess, this handy kitchen tool is worth trying at $36.97 for neat, perfect slices every time. Chopping garlic, onions, or vegetables can be tedious, but the Say-a-Hex-I Mini Garlic Chopper makes it quick, easy, and even fun. Compact and portable, it's perfect for everyday kitchen use, camping trips, or outdoor barbecues, giving you freshly chopped ingredients in seconds without electricity. Simply pull the rope to control the size of your chop, whether you want fine minced garlic or coarser veggies for a stir-fry. Its versatile design handles garlic, onions, peppers, nuts, and more, while the detachable container makes cleanup effortless. Imagine adding freshly chopped garlic to your sauces or marinades without the mess or hassle, elevating your meals instantly. For anyone who loves cooking but values convenience, this handy chopper is worth trying at $8.50 for faster, cleaner meal prep every time. Chopping, slicing, and prepping ingredients becomes effortless with the Coffrin plastic cutting board set, designed for both convenience and precision. With 3 sizes, integrated measurements, and a dedicated grinding area for garlic or ginger, these boards let you prep everything from fruits and vegetables to meats with ease. The non-slip edges keep each board steady, while the raised perimeter contains juices for a cleaner countertop. Made of durable, food-safe polypropylene, they resist warping and won't splinter like wood boards, making cleanup simple, plus they're dishwasher safe. The stainless steel holder keeps your boards organized and easy to grab whenever needed. Perfect for everyday cooking or hosting family meals, this versatile set is a practical addition to any kitchen and worth trying at $27.99 for safer, smarter food prep every day. Adding fresh, perfectly cut spices can elevate any dish, and the ad hoc peppy chili cutter makes it effortless. This manual mill is designed to precisely chop dried chilies and herbs, giving you flavorful, consistent results every time. Its stainless steel blades ensure durability, while the clear acrylic body makes filling and cleaning simple, letting you focus on cooking rather than cleanup. Compact and elegant, it fits comfortably in your hand, making everyday seasoning a smooth and enjoyable experience. Whether you're spicing up a weeknight dinner or adding finishing touches to a gourmet creation, this cutter brings control, precision, and style to your kitchen. For anyone who values fresh flavors and easy prep, this handy tool is worth trying at $30.29 for consistently vibrant, perfectly chopped spices every time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comments section below.